Welcome back to this video of the KNX Security video series. In this video we want to take a look at KNX IP Security. So what is the goal of KNX IP Security and how does it work? So first of all, the goal of KNX IP Security. And you can say it as be secure in IP and stay compatible in twisted pair. But what do I mean with that? Well, typically we have the case that not all twisted pair devices that we want to use in a KNX network support KNX Secure. And so therefore the communication with those devices is unsecure. But there are parts of our KNX network that we want to have secure. And those are typically those parts of our KNX network that can be accessed from the outside. And this is oftentimes our IP network, because we don't use a separate IP network for the KNX installation. So there we should achieve security. And this can easily be done because mostly our KNX IP devices are KNX IP routers. And those can be used as secure routers, and then the communication on the IP side, so the side which might be accessed from the outside, is protected and is secured, while the twisted pair side stays compatible to those devices which don't support secure. And Weinzierl provides you with the fitting components like the KNX IP interface Secure 732 and the KNX IP router Secure 752. Protected via KNX IP is tunneling, so the access to the KNX network, and routing, so the data transmission in KNX IP. So we have full security on our KNX IP side. And how does it work? Well, let us take a look at this KNX IP telegram. Now in this case, we don't use secure, and as you can see here, the KNX IP part of this telegram is completely unencrypted, which means when I now use, for example, a data logger and use my magnifying glass, for example, you will see that I can read out the content of this telegram with the group address, physical address, value, etc. So nothing is protected here. Now when we use KNX Net IP Security, you can see that we use a KNX Secure wrapper, which you can imagine like a safe where we put our unsecure KNX content inside of it. So if we now want to use a data logger and use the magnifying glass, well, then we only see zeros and ones because this secure wrapper protects the unsecured message. And you can also see that we also use the three pillars here, as we use authentication, encryption, and you can also see the message authentication code. But let us do a wrap up of what we learned so far. In the last video, we got to know to KNX Data Security, which is used by KNX RF and KNX Twisted Pair. Data Security uses data integrity to ensure that data is not modified, freshness that ensures that telegrams can't be sent again, and confidentiality, which basically means encryption. KNX Net IP Security, on the other hand, is only used by KNX IP, and it protects the data transmission during routing and also the access to the KNX network via KNX IP Tunneling. So this is an easy way to ensure basic security functionality in your KNX network. In the next videos, we will take a look at a practical example of both of these, so of KNX Data Security as well as KNX Net IP Security.